First, the top stories. Chief Minister N. Biren makes clarion call for peaceful coexistence, cooperation and unity. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee alleges BJP-led state government of siphoning off round ₹300 crore. NIA raids Popular Front of India PFI Manipur branch offices in Thoubal district and Irong Cha Sabha in Mayang Imphal. India records 5,443 fresh COVID cases along with 26 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. Welcome to PONYTV English News. This is Maria giving you the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren made a clarion call for all the communities for peaceful coexistence, cooperation and unity and said Manipur's beauty is in its diversity. He was addressing a gathering at the observance of first death anniversary of Atwan Abonmai at Tarung village, Langol today. Hill Areas Committee Chairman Dingang Lunggangmai, Minister El Susindro Meitei, leaders of various civil society organizations attended among others. As part of the observance, the Chief Minister also led the others in offering floral tribute to late Atwan Abonmai. Chief Minister N. Biren expressed his firm belief and further assured that justice will be delivered in Abonmai's case and added that the case is under investigation by the National Investigation Agency and much detail cannot be divulged at the moment. He also said that he strongly condemned the incident and that he will not tolerate violence. Regarding construction of a memorial park in the Abonmai's name, he said the government will do the needful, though it might take some time, identifying the late Abonmai to be a vocal leader who believes in the unity of Manipur and welfare of the Jalangrong people. The Chief Minister said Abonmai was like family to him. Violence and infightings amongst us have never brought development in our society.
Machine Hana Kanana Pongi, government activity and pay machine Hanabudo, India Kambu Litre, India Kambu Hana Jabane. Kulai Karapaga, Hector Moin of Manipur ship, which is low in Bagum. I could dictate to Chapkani, I coined a Noibum, Toning Mata when a lady of Kambu said, Kulai Pai of a Kambu, no Kulai Pai Kaladi of the game. Cockchain, never you say, some dollars money the Sunti and Kanako, Halagasilla for them, immediate. I don't know why they give a body, a mobile aspect of the paying in the body. No, I am Tangba leader, Yam Tangba, vocal labor, Armenia do, a quick Sumaineta could have a cotton of the city of Machi. I condemn Tawi, I do tolerate Toroy, I had a Hajaki civil society, society keep cause, public keep cause, Mayam gave a potter, Nang Bahai law, but we can show within the constitution, I do the constitutional framework to give a quick. Manipur
Pradesh Congress Committee has alleged that the BJP-led government has siphoned off around ₹300 crore meant for 2018-19 PMGSY works for Churachandpur, Tamenglong and Chandil districts without executing any work. Addressing a press conference held at the Congress Bhavan on BT Road, MPCC President K. Meghachandra questioned if embezzlement of huge fund under its nose and taking no action against those involved is an example of corruption-free government. He also pointed fingers to civil society organizations, members of autonomous district councils, MLA concerned and the so-called anti-corruption cell for maintaining silence on the fund misuse. He urged to all the concerned to open their eyes and do a fact check on the fund embezzlement. K. Meghachandra also stated that Go to Hills mission was just an eyewash as it has done nothing remarkable for the people living in the hills.
We demand to hand over this case to the National Investigating Agency. Congress Party demands a ahanba go to hills scheme paikatu matamda paikati ba scheme mayam singsi high road di go to hill do tam successful oire haina dum logo ya 0 kilometer walk completion da paisa thadokpa masi karamba serviceman namagi karamba responsibility no karamba rule da yawi aduna hauji puriba eso dagi horaga bill sabadagi horaga sanctioning authority or chief engineer rakse totally responsible from to error ministry honorable ministry no lakuni na I cannot say anything eso dagi horaga chief engineer rakse masi loinamak masigi mathakda investigation to bomjani.
The Popular Front of India PFI Manipur branch offices were raided by a special team from the Manipur branch of the National Investigation Agency NIA at Lilong Lehokhong in the Thoubal district and Irong Cha Sabha in the Mayang Imphal today. The combined team, including state police commandos, CRPF and others, started the operation at around 3:30 a.m. in the morning at Lilong and took several persons into custody. According to the source, items such as laptop, a computer system, a bank passbook and some papers were recovered during the raid. The raid, according to the sources, was carried out to target risk to national security and anti-national activity. The fact that the office was sealed suggests that the NIA team might return.
Maramdi nongthil matamda tawbana taba hingde hekta laga masing khangdaba police army tongan pamiyoi sing laga tawba sina praja singda tongan bacharang naba kaya ma fawan ki Popular Front of India ngasi fawada India ki kasin koya thungna lairiba organization asigi saruka moina Manipur su mafam khuding makta aikoi ain gi wangmada constitution gi wangmada thabuk amukong tawkiba laite miyam gi samaj gi damak thabuk tawriba organization amani haibadi constitution gu singna pamiyoi singi mamangda kok non kiba haije chatchakiba laite aikoi achumba gi damak lepa dumba organization amani NIA na su yamna fajaba mawngda makoi respect tawi aikoi gi leader singda wari watai saba kanda kai ba wahai wata kari su sinna ba laite.
Thai business delegation led by the ambassador of Thailand to India, Patrat Hongtong, called on Chief Minister N. Biren at his secretariat today. As the implementation of Act East policy gains momentum, ideas were exchanged for strengthening cooperation in IT sector, tourism and the development of medical tourism in Manipur. The state government is already working on introducing Imphal-Bangkok flight connectivity at least once a week. The delegation was cordially invited to attend the upcoming Sangai Festival 2022 during the meeting. Minister for Textile, Commerce and Industry Nemcha Kipgen, Minister for Health and Family Welfare Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary and members of CII were also present during the meeting. A massive landslide measuring about 50 to 60 meters occurred this afternoon at around 1:30 p.m. at 39 km point from Imphal near Nongdalan along NH37, Tangpokpi district. Due to the continuous landslides in the area, many vehicles including heavy loaded trucks were stranded on both sides. However, light passengers vehicles and other vehicles coming from Imphal side were made to return to Imphal and diverted towards Visnupur Tupul Road, and those vehicles coming from None were diverted towards Tupul Visnupur Road. 3 big excavators of the road construction company are being pressed into service for the clearance of the debris, but due to continuous sliding of loosened soils from the steep mountains, the clearance works of the debris is facing problem. It may take time to clear the road. Short break. Keep watching for more updates.
Ai khô, à sụp thiên làm gì vô quay cho lui nào. Tacho, langbal kaitel chatlubani.
Mitop mian sajingna khoi wapang masiba juar mela do ngani na.
अदुगुम मेला दु नति ताचो सिदे येलोमी एखोइना छिनजबा इरमदम सिगी सेबेलोन दसु याम कानागदबा अदुगुम लंगमन गैथिने ताचो काइदे मोइगी मैगदो लंट्रक लंथालगा लंबिगो लोरे ताचो खुफजमने ताचो लंगम गैथिने लेहोबा एखोइगी स्टॉल सिंग ताचो अदुदो लेहोबा पोचे योमदुदि काइदि सोय मार्केट उगे पंगदबा गातनीदा
तयाय आइनिया ngawjari ngasai foreign country singi stall singdo adune haba adudagi ngasai na lepto yumne
Yare sanglo.
Tacho, asuk thenga phau kai chaluna tacho.
Langban ke chen salu. Pithribi ki tongan ba country manga haibadi Thailand, Bangladesh, Afghanistan amadi Nepal ena na India ki tongan ba state kun gi stall sing handa ki langbal ke chal sida saruk ya. Numidang ni matamda fazara ba mai gi komai loina na tongan ba entertainment program sing musical concert fashion show meet the star na sing ba thoram sing langbal ke chal lengbirak tuna mahau logi ho.
Welcome back. Residents of Yaripok, Koirom, under the aegis of JAC against establishing of the Koirom MIE in residential area today stands a seat in protest denouncing the noise, ambience and air quality tests conducted at minor industrial estate residents. Residents continued their demand for shifting the MIE from Yaripok Koirom. They allege that the tests were conducted by the officials of Pollution Control Board in collusion with Thoubal Forest Division and the owners of the factories. Yungkhaibam Sangita, who took part in the protest, said DFO of Thoubal Forest Division along with large numbers of security forces came on September 19 for a pollution test, but the tests were not conducted with all the units simultaneously functioning. She alleged that the DFO concerned must have accepted bribe for the test and therefore they cannot accept the report likely to be produced by the Pollution Control Board.
Mil mapusinga lautunaraga namtu logiba test oikibana Manipur Pollution Control Board tagine puthorpa test to akoina chungya yaba ngam madugi result to akoy yaba chongam ngamoiba thaklai kai horong khungang ase panchayat na konba jaga amani maram aduna bin mapusinga mafam asidai da MIE tawgani MIE tawriba mapusing factory mapusingna MIE tawgani haibase akoigi mathakla kai khorong prajagi ayaba mata yaukre hariba khorong ase Panchayat na konba jaga nina makoina panchayat meeting amata tawgideba nampudo moi kharana tawraga logiba permission nina akoidi madurani akoina mafam asidai MI mi thamba yaroi haidana akoina ngasi jangjan thoriba khongjang ase
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur STDCM Youth Wing Co-Convener C.H. Manglem Tom has stated that India is a democratic country and Manipur also believes in democracy, so respect the peaceful approach of the democratic protest. The statement was given during a protest at Soibam Laikai, Wangkai Kunau, organized by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur STDCM for inclusion of Meitei in Scheduled Tribe list. He further urged the state government to send the recommendations to the center to consider enlisting the ethnic group in the ST list of the Indian Constitution. He also voted for a strong hesitation if the recommendation is not sent. A dead body of Muhammad Matabur Rahman's 8-year-old daughter from Kashimpur, Jiribam was found yesterday and the investigation was launched after a FIR was filed at the Jiribam police station. Additionally, SDC planned a judicial inquiry with video coverage of the post-mortem. The deceased girl was reported missing from 4:30 last evening. Villages after a prolonged search, the body was eventually found at 8:30 in Busti regions of Kashimpur village, where Jiribam police had kept it at the morgue. Although the reason of death is now unknown, a rape and murder case was suspected. A district-level painting and slogan writing competition on Ayushman Bharat Divas was held at Churachandpur Higher Secondary School today. The competition was organized by the District Administration and Zonal Education Office Churachandpur. About 40 students from different schools took part in the competition. Prizes for the same will be distributed to the deserving participants during the Ayushman Bharat Divas 2022. The 4th year anniversary of Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (ABPMJAY) observation tomorrow at DTC Hall, Tuibong. Former Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar has been elected as a Rajya Sabha MP by election to the lone Rajya Sabha seat from Tripura was held today. Results were declared soon after the voting process was completed. Deb assured the people of Tripura that he would continue to work for them. The former Tripura Chief Minister also expressed gratitude to the BJP and IPFT MLAs of Tripura for electing him as a Rajya Sabha MP. He also thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP National President JP Nadda and Union Home Minister Amit Shah for giving him the opportunity to represent Tripura in Rajya Sabha. By-election to the lone Rajya Sabha seat from Tripura was necessitated after Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha vacated the seat earlier this year. The police in Mizoram have seized drugs worth rupees 37 crore in an international market. The drugs were seized by the Mizoram police at Tuipui village in Champai district. Mizoram police personnel intercepted a truck and seized as many as 1,11,100 methamphetamine tablets. The seized methamphetamine tablets weigh around 12.5 kgs. 3 persons have also been arrested by the Mizoram police in connection with the seizure. While 2 of the arrested persons hail from Assam, the other is from Tripura. The Mizoram police has registered a case under Section 22C of the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances NDPS Act. India recorded a total of 5,443 fresh COVID cases along with 26 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,45,53,042. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 5,291 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,429. Out of 26 fatalities, 12 were from Kerala. Delhi positivity rate stood at 0.10%. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.71% as per the data. Before we wrap up the news, the top stories once again. Chief Minister N. Biren makes clarion call for peaceful coexistence, cooperation and unity. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee alleges BJP-led state government of siphoning off round rupees 300 crore. NIA raids Popular Front of India PFI Manipur branch offices in Thoubal district and Irongcha Sabha in Mayang Imphal. India records 5,443 fresh COVID cases along with 26 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.